guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss another upload. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in or welcome back. So guys, please go ahead, like this video, share it, comment, tell a friend, tell another friend. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, continue to watch. So guys, I'll be doing a nice date night, easy date night tutorial. So I'll be using the Jackie Aina palette, and the first shade that I'll be going in is Credit, and I'm going to be placing that in the crease before blending it out. So you know what's going on today. You can't go out, so you can just put on some makeup, look cute, get dressed, go to the living room, go to the dining room, and like have dinner with the family or whatever. Now I'm going to go into ginger, and I'm going to use that to blend the harsh edges out. So ginger will be acting as my transition shade going up into the brow bone. So because I'll be doing a cut crease with this look, I'll be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I will be going in with the same color that I use in the crease, which is Credit, and I'm going to use that to blend the outer V. Now I'm going to move on to that second color in the cut crease, which is Edges, and I'm going to put that all over that portion and then blend it into Credit. Going with Trust Issues, and I'm going to put that in the inner portion of my eyes, which is my tear duct, and that's gonna open up my eyes. That's gonna add that little pop. And then I'm going to go in with Zam and finish up the lid, and yeah. So I went ahead, add my lashes, and did a thick liner. It's not a wing liner or anything. I'll place the link down below of how I apply my lashes and also how I do my foundation. So I'll be using the Becca mattifying primer on my face, and then going with the Milani Conceal Perfect foundation, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and my setting powders, and also my setting spray. So I'll place that link down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I won't be showing a lot of it because I don't want it to be like my video to be too long. So now I'm going to move on to my lips, and I'll be using a brown lip pencil just to line my lips, and then going with the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Corset. Then I will be adding some gloss because I like my lips. Now to finish up the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Alissa Edwards palette, and I'll be using that blue shade, and I'll be placing it in the water under the waterline and then smudge it out. Then I'm going to add some mascara, and yeah. And I haven't used this Maybelline highlighter in a while, and I forgot how good it was. So I'm just going to use that to get this nice little highlight, and it's really pretty. I like it. It's not too harsh on the skin. It just blends in flawlessly smooth. go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave all your comments, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. Welcome back, and yeah.